Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using osCommerce for beginners in 2024. Of course, osCommerce is a powerful and also a flexible e-commerce platform that is or which is perfect for creating your online store. So if you're interested by the step-by-step guide of how to start using osCommerce for beginners, make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section and basically just type osCommerce and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. Click on the first link, make sure it's not a sponsor. Once you click on it, as you can see, you will be taken to their home screen or main screen right away. As you can see, it's a free open source shopping cart. So you have two options if you want to start using osCommerce. As you can see, start selling online with osCommerce, your one-stop free open source e-commerce platform, and add apps to your shopping cart as your online store grows and grows. So you have two options, as we said. You can use or you can download your free shopping cart, or you can try with osCommerce host. As you can see, in 2024, your e-commerce platform needs to use the latest version or server technology. That's why osCommerce use PHP 8.1, but of course, we still support older version, started from 7.3. Older than that will not be supported. And MariaDB 10.x to offer the fastest and most secure performance for ultimate speed and security. osCommerce will always develop for compatibility with the latest and best versions of server software, ensuring your e-commerce shopping cart is always fast, safe, and secure. So you have, as we said, two options: the free option and the host option that's not going to be free. So if you choose the free option, of course, they'll take you here to download like the zip file and etc. So other than that, you have this try with osCommerce host. If you click on it, they'll take you here. First of all, you'll be able, of course, to start your free trial. And after starting your free trial, of course, you'll have to start paying for a plan, depending on whatever plan you choose. So if you scroll down here, first of all, they'll take you through first trial. So consider osCommerce shopping cart, evaluate osCommerce free shopping cart for 1 month. No question asked. No credit card needed, absolutely free. As you can see, so it gets a free month of using, absolutely free, and no credit card required. So if you want to try it out and see if it's going to work correctly for you and etc., you can go with this. If you don't, of course, you can simply just go with the free. But this free will be a little bit annoying, especially for like people that don't know how to set up like your store. You might need some help with some articles or YouTube videos. And other than that, of course, you can use this osCommerce e-commerce platform demo. This demo is not for use, it's simply for trying things out or see how osCommerce is working or how it's like doing. It will give you access to the front and back office so you can test everything out. As you can see, you can test everything out on osCommerce, like furniture, watch, as example. So e-commerce plus page, as example. osCommerce supports multiple sales channel. Your installation of osCommerce comes with furniture, watch, B2B supermarkets, print shop, e-commerce sales channels, and CMS brochure. Website example, each sales channel has its own URLs, design and demo product sets, admins in the back end of your osCommerce. As you can see, you can use the osCommerce wiki to learn how to manage sales channel, assign design themes and content to the sales channel. As you can see, you can choose, they'll say thank you for osCommerce, the most powerful on-premise open source e-commerce. So you can choose whatever suits you, like watches, as example. You can see like the demo of a watch themes, furniture, prints, as example, admin, and super like market. So as example, you'll have access to a demo account where you can simply just here go and choose stuff as example, or see how the back or front office like works for every step. As you can see, this is like the admin where you'll have access to the back office. if you want to try this things out. So, for example, here is a theme for printers. Here's a theme for furnitures. Here's a theme for watches. Watches as an example. I don't know why I keep saying watches, but it's fine. So for watches also, and yeah, basically this is basically just the front office where you can see the websites and how it's looking like. And here you'll have access also to the back office, but just the demo. So you'll not be able to add products and do multiple stuff in here. You'll be able just to test things out and see how it's working for you. So, as example, you'll have access to dashboard, your customers, the reports. As example, I guess they will give you like some fake analysis and fake statistics, yeah, as it seems in here, to show you like how just things are working in here. So basically, yeah, basically they'll just give you like some info or some insights about how it's working, or how your osCommerce, of course, websites will look like. As you can see, marketing tools, also SEO, design, SMS models, the managers, settings, sales channel, app shop. You'll have also access for everything that you want. So if it seems like you like it, you don't even need to go with the free trial that they offer for you. But of course, free trial also like always like a thanks. So why not? I can get 1 month for free. So why not, right? So as you can see, here, as you can see, they'll get you like just fill in the installation form and enjoy your very own etc. Like your first month of full access to your own demo site, front and back ends or office. As we said, populate it with your products, try various models and apps, choose from the existing designer. Because this demo, you'll not be able to basically like add stuff, remove stuff, add apps and etc. You'll basically just have or see how it's looking like, if it's working, etc. And yeah, if you want to try things out, this like one free trial is gonna be the best option for you. So you can see, you can here even see their osCommerce hosting package example. So they have the budgets and the cloud basic and cloud standard, depending on whatever you want. And you can simply, depending on the features and the price, you can simply just maybe choose this budget and click on create one. And once you click on create, as an example, if you have already an osCommerce or a form account, you can simply just log in into it. If you don't, you can click on create your account and fill up the form, so you can have access, of course, to your 1 month free account. So yeah, basically all you need to do, just fill up your informations and you'll have access to this like back end and even the front end. Let's say, for example, you have a furniture website or something like that, you'll have access to the front end and back end, everything. And yeah, you should be after that's good to go. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.